Oh, what do we have here? This one is entitled Mother Freaks Out After Daughter's Arrest Drama by East Coast Body Cams.
Say it. On the ground now. On the ground now. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground now.
We ain't even got 5 seconds into the video. She about to show all her little chi-chis.
Get on the ground now.
Well, they big. They big as hell.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
Oh.
I just said get back. I said get back. Get back. Get back. Get back.
It was me. It was me. It was my baby go.
Get back.
Let my baby go.
Are you serious? Are you fucking serious?
On December 22nd, 2024, officers in West Palm Beach, Florida, responded to a call from a local Foot Locker after employees reported a heated altercation between two families.
Damn.
When police arrived, they found two young women fighting as a bystander tried to break it up. During the chaos, an officer had to deploy a taser to bring the situation under control.
Damn.
The families involved were uncooperative, and the reason behind the fight was never made clear. Watch as the drama continues.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I am.
Are you fucking serious?
Don't touch me again.
I ain't gonna lie. For somebody that just got out the hospital, she sure is aggressive.
Don't touch me again. 15 her. 15 her.
That mean arrest. Did he grab her by her bonnet? This better not be over some J's. I feel like C Murder, the mother nigga, supposed to be playing while this video is going on.
Have a seat.
A lot of low vibrational activity. West Palm Beach, Florida.
Mother's taser is in my ass.
Check.
That's not the type of shock you want right there, Lord. On the guys.
Go in the car. Stay over here.
They jumped on her.
Okay, and we'll get to the bottom of everything.
We was going to the car.
Okay, that's fine.
Bro, please.
She 13 years old working at Foot Locker?
Yo, you can video, but again, you cannot walk up on the officers.
Do that.
Again, you cannot walk up on the officers.
What's your name?
My last name is Latham. Again, you
School don't even make sense.
do not walk up on the officers.
Hey, that's how old people be arguing with you. They just start saying some shit real fast. Don't even make sense. And then they be like, yeah.
That's great. That's great. Stay up here.
Oh,
Thank
we
you.
was walking and they jumped on us.
Okay.
What we supposed to do? My daughter called me and say the lady was up here threatening her.
You touch me. You touch me. What's your name? I told you to stay back. You stay back. Away from the cars.
But why is she going to jail? Why is she?
You can video, but make sure you follow the law or you'll be in the car too.
We got a TikTok lawyer.
Because they jumped on her. Of course we gonna protect ourselves.
They get arrested.
Man, my baby, man, listen, man, no.
She from the trenches, baby. She ain't trying to hear
My
that.
baby getting straight A's, she don't bother nobody.
Well, she going straight to jail. And hey, damn, they whooped. They laid out the shirt.
She went check, she do all of that. Why y'all messing with her?
Call a lawyer for what?
My daughter at work. She come to work every day faithfully. She even sick. And she called me and said, Mom, the lady told me, oh, pussy asshole and this and that. Why you talking to her, even though she is 18, why you talking to her like that?
Yeah.
Why? And then when I pulled up to go in the store, about 5 of them right there. So what y'all gonna do to somebody that's innocent? She doing her job. If they ain't got what y'all want them to do?
It probably was the way she said it.
And this is not the first incident. It's multiple people that's been doing it, but they took it too far. Now what if all of them would have jumped on my child and I would have lost my child? It's okay. Just chill.
The mom has failed her daughter.
Saying where I could take the taser piece out her butt. I'm in the medical field. Dang, I can't even help my own child.
Yeah, I'm sorry. That lost me. Like,
Back up and go that way. Back
tasing her ass is crazy.
There's an opening back here.
You don't bother nobody.
What if you don't get your Uber and Lyft driving ass on?
Say we'll be waiting on you when you get out your job. She get out at 6:30. How the hell am I supposed to feel at home in my child?
I remember that was over here.
Hell no, I'm doing what a mother supposed to do.
He still videotaping?
Were you here when they were fighting?
Yeah, I tell you, it's this girl and this girl.
One taser?
I'm still hot.
Yes,
Yeah.
The taser her ass.
No, we should be good.
I'm looking for a lost video goddamn way.
My baby ain't doing nothing but defend herself.
This fool still talking about the lawyer.
Down there kill her. But they talking to their mama, but I can't talk to my child. That's crazy. I want to talk to my child. She just said a taser was in her behind. I'm in the medical field. I know what to do. That's crazy. My child ain't do nothing wrong but what the rest of them were doing.
One of her friends got some altercation out here.
Hey, I'm Officer Latham. I'm gonna get your information.
Where's my mom?
I don't know which one is your mom.
The one that had the surgery.
She going to jail. Hey, going to jail.
Why they not in the car?
Who?
All them up there too.
I don't know who I was involved. I just know who I saw fighting when I got here.
They was
The woman
Why
was
she
later
trying to snitch?
transported to a local hospital for treatment after being tased. It's unclear what charges, if any, were filed following the incident. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more weekly body cam footage.
Then y'all want to charge her.
Oh, man. She said it's a taser in her ass. I can't get off of that. Oh, man. It's not funny. It's not funny, y'all, but damn.
And we getting ready to walk off and they just attack. What I'm supposed to do? Let her hit my child?
No, baby.
I be less
Fight
than
back.
mother. You're a grown-ass woman thinking you finna come jump on my 13-year-old daughter.
Turn my camera back on. Yeah.
So we don't know what the hell happened.
What's up?
Where we're at it?
No, right here. So she has a taser probe in her ribs, and then this young lady has a taser probe like in the side of her butt cheek.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out.